Guys, you want to see my Transformers? Welcome back to Land Off the Grays channel, and that's me. And you want to see my Transformers? This is Motormaster. He's a semi. And this is Heat Seeker. And this is Drag Strip. And this is Sideswipe. And leave your comments below who this is. And leave your comments below who this is too. And we're going to the beach. And we're going to be bringing snacks. And we're going to go outside. No, I promised her next video. It won't show. Sorry, guys. You want to see Willow? There's Willow.
Hi, guys.
And there's Ambria.
Off the grid.
And here's Shy.
She's trying to find something.
Willow, please stop following me. And
okay, this is Nana. I want to introduce my bestest Willow right here. Tell the camera hi, Willow.
And we're going to be going to my beach room. And we're going to be taking videos on this. See you later, guys. That's the end. Bye, guys. Tell me what next videos or food challenges you want me to do. Bye, guys.